I laugh knowingly because it's such a wonderful answer, and I feel so the same. You land into a product management role. You're told, I want a roadmap. The stakeholder thinks they know what they mean. You think they know what you mean. You go online and look at what they might mean. You go and create something, and often, the first creation of a roadmap is something that we get burnt by, and that's actually one of the reasons for having this channel, talking roadmaps, and my own company, Roadmap Heroes, is to help people understand that's not what we mean, and to rethink this. It's a very misunderstood area. So I love your response to that, because it's so true, but we don't want people to learn the hard way.
No. Hopefully now we learn the hard way for them. I mean, that's the whole point of product communities, right? That people can learn from others' mistakes. And I mean, please don't go there. If someone asks you like a list of feature in a timeline, don't do that, please.
And in this, I'm sure this is something you feel passionate about as well.